everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick look that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to be making another video of a haul of a bunch of makeup that I just got. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so first I have been dying to find a new primer because I don't really have a primer that's been working for me. I tried this, and it is the L'Oreal Magic Lumini Primer. Let's see how that goes. Oh, it feels really nice. I like how this feels on my skin. This is actually one of the new things that I just bought today that I'm going to put in my next video. I really like this primer, so good deal. So I just got a bunch of new foundations that I have been wanting to try, and I'm going to mention all of them in my next video, but I think for this video, I think I'm going to go with the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation in the color Fair, just because I'm starting to get super pale. Whoa. Crazy cool. Oh, you hit the button and it comes out. Okay, that's pretty cool, I guess. But yep, it's on my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend it in.
You can run free, I won't hold it against ya. You do your thing, never wanted a future. Fuck if I knew how to put it romantic.
Okay, wow, I really like this foundation. It's a little oily, definitely wouldn't recommend if you have oily skin, but it went on very nicely. I've been wanting to try Becca for a while, and I actually really like this a lot. So, and then as you all know, I start with my eyebrows.
Speaking my truth, there's no need to panic. No, let's not put a label on it. Let's keep it fun. We don't put a label on it, so we can run free. Yeah, I wanna be free like you.
And then I'm going to use my go-to Cella Tantalizing Eyebrow Gel.
I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl.
There we go. Alrighty. I have been wanting to try Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour. Wow, there are so many lights that I can't even let you guys see this. I have had this for a while now, and I have actually never used it because I've been like obsessing over the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette, and I also have the Tan to Deep, I don't know, the powder contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills that I've had. If it focuses. And I've never tried either of these palettes, so I think I'm going to use those today. Now, I think with these, I've actually stuck my finger in a couple of them, but I am going to use this color right here. Oh, here we go. To conceal. So I'm going to stick my finger right in here and just go under my eyes.
I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold. I roll my eyes at you, boy.
I wonder if you guys can hear this thunder right now. It's crazy. You can definitely hear that. I'm scared. And it's also so dark. And I hope I don't lose power because that would ruin this whole video. Okay, I really like this. I'm just going to use Real Techniques Concealer 102 brush. Super pretty. I'm just gonna blend that in a little.
I'm a cool girl. I'm a a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy. Words you don't like, but you still wanna keep them. Said you were fine for whatever reason. Sure, we can chill, try and keep it platonic. Oh, now you can tell if I'm really ironic.
Honestly, sometimes I even don't know what I'm doing. I just make this up myself. Derma Blend setting powder. Love, love, love. You guys know that this is my favorite. I've used it in like every video.
No, let's not put a label on it. Let's keep it fun. We don't put a label on it, so we can run free. Yeah, I wanna be free like you. I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy. I'm a cool girl.
So now I'm gonna try and go in with these colors. I'm a little nervous because it's like literally gel and it's gonna be so dark, but I'm gonna do a little bit of this light color and then this one together, and I'm gonna use that. And I'm just gonna use my finger because honestly, why not? Okay, no, it's not happening. I'm gonna use the powder contour kit and I'm gonna do it that way. And I'm still gonna use my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour brush. Okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit of these colors and mix them. Oh, that's so bright. That is some crazy contour. I don't know if I like how it looks, but that's all I know. I'm just gonna blend it out really well. At least I won't look pale anymore. But I'm gonna try and use a little bit of lighter, these two lighter colors for this side. Okay, it actually looks really dark on camera, but not in person, so sorry. Also, it's super dark here, and when I go out, no one's gonna be able to see me in the dark. I'm really scared. And you should always contour the neck. Wow, you guys can like really see it. This is what I get for getting a good quality camera. Okay, so this actually goes on super dark, but I honestly like how it blends out a lot. So, honestly, I make the grossest faces, but I'm just gonna keep going with it. You guys, this is good. This is good. I really, really like this. I'm just gonna wipe off this excess powder. And now I'm gonna do my eyes. Now, since it's fall, I'm gonna use my, well, not brand new, but new Morphe. I don't think it has a name. My new Morphe palette! So it's actually not new. I've had this for a while and I'm just sticking my freaking hands all in the colors. But I haven't really done a lot of looks with this palette. I've been using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, so I'm really, really excited to try this. And I really want to do a cool look for you guys. I'm going to try and do a cut crease. I don't know how it's going to go, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I just went on Pinterest because Pinterest is God. And I just looked up a look, and I think that the look that I'm going to try and recreate is this one. So I'm also going to use, of course, my Jaclyn Hill one palette. And then what I'm going to do to achieve my cut crease is take my Tarte concealer, and this is in the shade Light, and I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm just going to dab the tips, and just press on my eyelid.
I'm a cool girl, I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy. I'm a cool girl,
And then I'm gonna take my Morphe M124 brush. This is the brush, and if you can see the end, it's very flat. And the bristles are very thick.
I roll my eyes at you, boy. I'm a cool girl, I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy. Still wanna keep on.
Okay guys, so that is it for my eyes. I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. Where's my eyeliner?
Sure, we can chill, try and keep it platonic. Now you can tell if I'm really ironic. No, let's not put a label on it. Let's keep it fun. We don't put a label on.
I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. Oh, it is the Lash Paradise. It is just like Better Than Sex, but from the drugstore. And honestly, works the same. So I just do a little bit of mascara to blend my fake eyelashes with my real eyelashes. I'm just going to be taking my Milani blush and my bronze booster from Physicians Formula. And I'm just going to be putting that on my face.
I'm a cool girl, I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy. I'm a cool girl, I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
I forgot the highlight. I'm going to be using my Too Faced No Filter Selfie Highlighter. And I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Fan Highlighter brush. And I'm going to use this purple. Boom! Here is the look, and it definitely looks nothing like mine, but that's okay. It's pretty close, you know? It's pretty close. I'm just going to do a nude Anastasia Beverly Hills color in the shade Naked. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And now I am just going to film my next video, which is going to be a haul of all the makeup stuff that I have just acquired in the past couple of weeks. So keep your eyes out for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you. Love you guys.